What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the bike. We made it to my boy Dale's. We got the bike on the stands. So far we did the domino black and red grips on both sides, and we also have the tank pads on that one and on this side. So now it's time for the exhaust. A lot of you guys have been talking about this exhaust, but now it's time to throw on a high quality exhaust. It's going to be another 3/4. I was going to ask y'all to guess, but I know you guys see the box right there. But here are the parts. Yes sir, Arrow, son. Another carbon fiber piece. Maybe I can get easy to give me a red arrow instead of a yellow. That way it won't throw it off too bad, but it might be fine. But I know we gotta take this off and the other side, and then I think that might be it. We just undo the mid pipe and just slide the other one back on. So you guys know, since this is the third exhaust, including the stock, I'm gonna throw a clip in of the stock exhaust, and then I'm gonna do a start on this one. I throw in a cold start because it's already been warm, so I throw in a cold start video, then I'll start this one up, and then we'll get to changing out the exhaust and putting a new one on.
You have to call Willie Jones and tell him to wax it and wash it and all that other stuff. You know, he keep his shit clean.
Let's get to work. we got the old cam right here from eBay. The only thing I can say about this is the coloring. It's the only bad part of this exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's about it. But this exhaust held up, man. I'm not sure miss it. Going from basically an open can to this thing. It's definitely got, this by itself is heavier than that. But it's gonna be worth it, boy. It's gonna be worth it. Oh yeah. We also got the baffle. So we might do a comparison. Put the baffle in, see how it sounds, and then take it out and see how it sounds. So we got all the pieces right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the mid pipe. Alright, so now we have the mid pipe on. We don't have it all the way tight. We want to make sure the exhaust can itself, which is right here, I want to make sure it lines up before we go and tighten everything down. So let's get that set up. Alright, y'all. We got it on. Got the mid pipe on up under there. Everything bolted down and tightened up. It goes all the way up. It's right here. And then the can. So I'm gonna wipe down the little carbon piece that goes right there. I'll show you how the other side. All right there. Hey, yo, I'm definitely gonna miss my sound. Y'all know. I mean, it looks good. The yellow does throw it off a little bit, which, like I said, I'm trying to see if I can get it replaced with red, but it matches really well. I like the tank pad. The tank pad look good too. But yeah, that look dope. That's a clean look. That's definitely a clean look. Just wait till y'all see what's going on the bottom, boy. But yeah, that's clean. We're gonna put the baffle in, start it up, and do one without the baffle. That way y'all can hear a comparison. Oh yeah, I'm sorry y'all missed out on some of the, putting it on. My camera overheated. But my camera overheated. It's like, y'all, it's hot out here. It's like hot. And we like right here in the sun. My phone just did not take it, so couldn't get everything for you guys. But look at that. It's like a whole nother bike now. But just wait, guys, just wait. But next thing will be the sound test, so stay tuned for the sound test. Not bad. We're gonna pull the baffle out. Yeah. We're gonna pull the baffle out and see what it sounds like without the baffle. So see what the thing sounds like without the baffle. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if y'all, what y'all think how that sounds. What do you think, Dale?
Actually, it sound a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a lot quieter than that. But that actually doesn't sound bad at all. Hopefully I can find a sticker, or I might just take this one off. But if I can find a red sticker, I'll be in the game. But yeah, the exhaust is on. I have not put those two pieces on at the bottom because why? Let me show you guys. We now have a belly pan for the R1, freshly painted. And as you see, we got the OEM front fender and rear fender because we now have carbon on the front and on the back. Shout out to RPM Carbon for the pieces. And then I got the belly pan from Superbike Unlimited. And just in case you guys look into it, the only thing you have to do is take off your front piece right here that sits right here, and then yeah, this piece, and just drill the bottom of it so that the holes right there matches up with the holes right here. And we just got the holes drilled, so now we're gonna put it on and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, R1 with the belly pan. Give me y'all opinions, bro. What you think about that? Oh, insert my Q gif. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes sir, boy. Jeez. Oh man. I ain't gonna lie, I can't be happier, guys. This turned out just like I want. Look at that carbon fiber, boy. Oh yeah. That boy mean. That boy mean. I'm gonna give y'all a finished look in just a second. And if any of you guys want to buy this exhaust, this is the eBay exhaust. There's nothing wrong with it. Works fine. It's loud, as you guys heard. You have the can holder, and then you're gonna need another clamp for the headers. We have to use one of the clamps. But if any of you guys want it, it's for sale. You can leave a comment, or you can message me on Instagram or email. But this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me and Dale about to wipe down the bikes, and then we're gonna head out for the reveal video. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you stay notified when I upload new videos. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.